In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset WooCommerce to default, 5 minutes. Before we begin, a quick note. Resetting your store will remove pages, products, orders, and related data. If you might need anything later, make a full backup of your site and database first. Once you're ready, log into your WordPress dashboard so we can start fresh. Head to Pages and open all pages. WooCommerce creates a few core pages for your store, typically Shop, Cart, Checkout, and My Account. Select those pages, move them to the trash, then switch to the Trash tab and delete them permanently. Clearing them out now prevents conflicts when WooCommerce recreates them later. Next, clean out your catalog and order history. Go to Products, choose all products, select everything, and use the bulk action to move items to the trash. Open the trash view and permanently delete them so nothing lingers in the background. Then go to WooCommerce and open orders. Use filters or screen options to show more items per page. Select all orders regardless of status. Move them to the trash and permanently delete them too. This ensures your storefront has no leftover records or counts. Now let's remove WooCommerce database entries so the plugin truly resets. Even after deleting content, WooCommerce can leave tables and options in your database. If you're comfortable working with database tools provided by your host, look for tables with the WooCommerce prefix and related options entries and remove only WooCommerce specific data. Do not touch unrelated tables. If you're unsure, stop here and check with your host or a developer. Always confirm you have a recent backup before deleting anything from the database. With the old data gone, we'll reinstall WooCommerce. Go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for WooCommerce. When you find it, click Install Now, then Activate. After activation, WooCommerce will prompt you to run its setup wizard. Follow the setup wizard carefully. Enter your store details, choose your selling locations, currency, and units, then select payment methods and shipping basics. When prompted, allow WooCommerce to create its default pages. This will recreate Shop, Cart, Checkout, and My Account the right way for a clean start. If the wizard doesn't appear, you can relaunch it from the WooCommerce settings, and in the Advanced section, you can confirm the new core pages are correctly assigned. That's it. You've removed old pages, products, orders, and database remnants, reinstalled WooCommerce, and used the setup wizard to rebuild a fresh default store. Save your changes, preview your site, and you're ready to configure your new catalog from scratch.